How to link Google account to Kimi AI. Are you exploring Kimi AI feature and want to make it even smarter? Linking your Google account to Kimi AI profile can make logging in faster, sync your preferences, and help keep everything conveniently connected. So first of all, open the Kimi AI application on your device, whether you are using a mobile device or your tablets. After you're inside the home page of Kimi AI after logging into your account, go ahead and click on the 3 horizontal menu button at the top left corner. Now in the expanded pop-up menu, click on your username at the top, and then this will open up the settings menu. Under the settings menu, tap on account security. On the next page, go to the top and look for the Google option and tap on this Google option at the top. Then in the pop-up, you can easily sign in with your Google account. Click the continue button. After you tap on the Google option, get ready to enter your Google account's credentials, and once you do, you will be able to link Google with Kimi AI. Just make sure you have the correct credential for your Google account and you'll be able to link it. So that is how you can easily link Google with Kimi AI account. Now you can enjoy faster sign-ins, synced settings, and a seamless Kimi AI experience across devices. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.